In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the language for a specific app on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So you're going to begin by opening up Settings, then you want to scroll and select General Management. From here, tap on App Languages, and then find an app that supports the changing of its language. Then when you find the app, say for example you decide to choose Google Chrome, all you need to do is simply select it. From here, you'll have your language packs that are offered for you by default, but you can scroll down and select any of the other supported languages that are currently available. Then choose your region. And once you've done that, if you previously had the app open and running in the background, I would recommend you closing it and then launching it again. When you launch it, you should be able to see the app language has been successfully applied. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.